the set of all positive values of A for which the series summation 1 upon n minus tan inverse 1 upon n raised to the power A converges if four options associated this problem is given to us, and we have to find the positive values of A only. Now this is a power series, and nth term of this power series is given by this expression, and this summation running from 1 to infinity. As this is the difference, if you write this is an, this is the series an, then this an or nth term is the difference of 1 upon n and tan inverse 1 upon n type. It means inverse of trigonometric function and 1 upon n. So it look like bit complicated, and our target is first convert this an into in terms of n or 1 upon n or 1 upon n. So tan inverse, we know the expansion of tan inverse x, so we expand this an with the help of that expansion. So whenever either in limit indeterminate form or this type of series, whenever inverse trigonometric function appear, most probably solve that question by the expansion. So I'm going to apply expansion of tan inverse 1 upon n minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is x minus 1 upon 3 x3 plus 1 upon 5 x5, alternate positive negative, and power is in 2 2, jump by 2 2, 1 here, 3 here, 5, and coming power will be 7 and so on. So it will be 1 upon x is 1 upon n, role of x is playing 1 upon n minus 1 upon 3 n cube plus 1 upon 5 n raised to the power 5 minus 1 upon 7 n raised to the power 7 and so on. And here a is also, I left it a as it is given in the question, is given. So it is our un, or you can say an. So it will be 1 by n cancel out by this, so it becomes minus minus turns to positive, negative terms turn into positive, and positive terms turn into negative. So 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 minus 1 upon 5 n raised to the power 5 plus 1 upon 7 n raised to the power 7 and so on, and raised to the power a. This is our un, and this is a series. So always whenever this series is in terms of n, so take another series vn, summation of vn, when where vn is p series now, and apply the comparison test. If vn is convergent, then summation un will also, provided limit of un upon vn will be L, which is not equal to 0, and this Vn, series Vn, or this Un and Vn, summation Un and Vn will converge or diverge together. It means behavior of one series, it depends on other. If one is convergent, then other one also. If one is divergent, then another one will be divergent. It means if you know the behavior of one, then you can conclude the behavior of other. As here, this is our un. So I'm going to take 1 upon n square. 1 upon n square, or you can take n cube, because of we are free to choose Vn or series Vn. So it is 1 upon 1 upon n cube. So it will be 1 minus 3 upon 5 n square plus 3 up. So all these are 1. 1 upon 7 raised to the power, because of 3 is coming out, so 4, and so on up to raised to the power a. And when a is raised to the power, so it will be 3a. It will be 3a. So consider this is our Vn, this is our Vn, and series is 1 upon n raised to the power 3a. This series is converged only when 3a is greater than 1. 3a is greater than 1, because this is p series, and p series is convergent only summation 1 upon n raised to the power p when p greater than 1. And for other cases, equal to 1 test to fail, and less than 1 we assertly say it is divergent. So it is converged only when 3a is greater than 1. It means a is greater than 1 upon 3. So a is strictly greater than 1 upon 3. So we see the option as 1. In option a, 1 upon 3 is right bound. So and a is greater than. So option A, B, and C is not our right choice. Option D is our right choice. Here C is given. So I make correction here. So it is our option D. Option D is right.